Good evening teachers, good evening everyone. In this video, I am going to share with you how to remove this white background in this logo like this. Okay, so first, you need to know what is the difference between JPEG type of file and PNG. Okay, for JPEG, this is actually Joint Picture Expert Group. So when you download images in Google or in Google Images, if that is a JPEG, it actually has a background. So if you download PNG, that means those are portable network graphics which are transparent or without a background. Okay, so for instance, if you have no choice, you have downloaded a logo with a background or any color of the background, you can remove that one and you can transform or convert JPEG to PNG using Photoshop. Okay, so for instance, if you have a logo like this, so you open first Photoshop to remove the background smoothly, click PS and then you click the file, you click new, and then you, for instance, you set the unit of measurement to inches. For instance, you decide to create a logo with 3 inches by 3 inches. Okay, so 300 is the resolution. You click create. Okay, so this is your canvas. Now, for instance, you get your JPEG picture to remove the background. For instance, this one with the background. You drag it to PS at the bottom. Do not release your mouse. Then drag up. Then release here at the canvas. Okay, so you have already the logo and you press enter to accept. Okay, so this time I have no layer, so the layer is hidden. So click first the window, then layers, or you can press F7 to view the layers. Okay, so I have already layer. So this time we are going to remove the white background or then convert it to PNG, this JPEG picture. Okay, right click at the name of the layer here, then left click rasterize layer. So okay, this time it is already rasterized. You can now hide this background layer. Okay, so there is still white. So to remove this white, you can right click here, and then choose the elliptical marquee tool. So meaning elliptical marquee tool can select oval shape and perfect circle shape. Okay, so click once and then you can position at the center here, and then you hold down your shift on the keyboard and then hold down your alt, shift and alt on your keyboard, and then drag, then make sure you can make a selection that fits the edges of the logo. Okay, now I am holding down the shift and alt, and I am going to hold the space bar to move my selection to make a selection perfectly to the center. Hold down my space bar. Okay, then drag the mouse, reposition the section. Okay, I'm going to release the space bar so that I can resize the circle or the selection, and this time you can actually release this one. Okay, release. So since it is not perfectly center, you can use the arrow right. Okay, that's arrow right or arrow left, up, down. Okay, you can use that one. Okay, for example, I have already the perfect selection at the edges of this logo. So to remove the white background, you can click here, select, and then click inverse. Observe. So now it is now selecting the outside of the logo or the white. Okay, so you can press delete on the keyboard. Delete now. Delete. Okay, this time your background is transparent. So make sure do not click this visibility icon to restore the white. So hide this one. Okay, so to remove the selection or this marching ants, to remove, you can press Control D. Control on the keyboard and then letter D or dog. Okay, so this time you have already the transparent logo. So to save this one to PNG, click File, Save As. Okay, so then you look for the folder where you want to save. For instance, I'm going to save on my desktop, this actuator folder. So for example, I'm going to name this one as logo remove background. Okay, so this one, save as type, Photoshop. So pick this one. I want to save it on PNG. So if you're going to choose this one, JPEG, the white background will restore. So that it will not restore, you click PNG so that it will be transparent logo now. So click this one. So this time the type of file is portable network graphics, so that's transparent graphics, and at the tutor folder, and then click save, and then click OK. Okay, so now you can minimize this one. As here, this one is the logo. So this one is the logo that has a white background. So for instance, I'm going to copy this one so that you can see that this has a background. Copy and paste it on Microsoft Word. Paste here. Okay, so this is the logo. You can the logo and click this one, then click this in front. Okay, so that do that one so that you can easily drag the logo. So here you can resize. You can hold down the shift to retain the proportion so that it will not change the proportion, vertical and horizontal size of the logo. So still perfect circle. Okay, so this time I'm going to open the logo that we have removed the background. This one, we will copy this one and then paste it on Microsoft Word. Paste here. Okay, so that you can move easily, you can click this one, this layout options in Word, and then choose in front of text. Okay, so resize. While resizing in Microsoft Word, you hold down the shift to retain the proportion. So para perfect circle siya, hold down the shift key. Okay, so now we have already removed the background smoothly. So we're going to maximize that one so that you can see that the background is a smooth edges here. Okay, so that is how to remove background in Photoshop. So now you can paste that one to any Microsoft Office application. It may Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Publisher. So okay, so if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated of all the videos that I'm going to upload and templates. Thank you.